गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರಾ? ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಚಾಟಲ್ಲಿ? One shloka in the chat box. One shloka has come, so you please read that or expand whatever you want to. I will chant, you repeat after me. Here people will repeat, you are there also, you will chant. I will tell the meaning. Somebody has to mute. ஆஷைலாருதயாத் இவதற்கா எனக்கு சொல்கிறேன். ஆஷைலாருதயாத் ததாஸ்தகிரதः பாஸ்வத்ஷிரோ भास्वक्षरोरश्मिभिः आशैलादुदया तथास्थगिरितः भास्वक्षरोरश्मिभिः व्याप्तं विश्वमनन्दकारमभवत्यस्य श्मशिष्येरिदं व्याप्तं विश्वमनन्दकारमभवत् अस्य श्मशिष्यैरदम् आरात् प्रतिहतश्चन्द्रायते भास्करः तस्मै शङ्करभानवे तनुमनो वाग्भिर्नमस्यात् सदा। तस्मै शङ्करभानवे तनुमनो वाग्भिर्नमस्यात् सदा. Most of you are aware of this shloka, I think. It is a prayer to Adi Shankaracharya by Sureshwaracharya in his Brihadaranyaka Vartika. What does he say here? To that Shankaracharya who is like sun, Tasmai Shankara Bhanave. Last line, Tasmai Shankara Bhanave Tanumanaha. I offer my prostrations, namaskaras to that Shankara who is like sun. Tanuhu Shariram, Tanu Manaha, mind, Vak, the speech. I prostrate, do namaskara with the Sharira, Manaha and Vak. Kaya, Vak, Manaha. Tanumana, Vagbhir Syat Sada. Every day or every time my namaskaras to that Shankaracharya who is in the form of sun. But sun is very hot, very scorching. But here Sureshwaracharya says, sun, though sun, but the rays are like Chandra. A cool sun. Outside it is looking like sun orb. The form is like of the sun. But the rays emitting from the sun is not like Tikshna. It is like from the moon. See there in the third line, Pratihatas Chandrayate Bhaskaraha. Pratihataha means the rays of the sun It is not hot, but it is cool. Chandrayate Bhaskaraha. Surya in the form of Chandra. What does this rays of the Chandra do? Arat Jnana Gabhastibihi. Gabhastibihi, you would have heard Aditya Hridayam. Arat Jnana Gabhastibihi. Arat means from the distant, let this Surya Kirana, in this context, the rays of the moon, Pratihatas Chandrayate Bhaskara, let it fall on me and let it fall on the entire humanity. What is the entire humanity here? Ashailad Udaya Tatastha Giritaha. From the eastern mountains to the western mountains. Behind the eastern mountains, the sun rises and sets in the western mountain. Between these two mountains is the Jagat. So let it rise and set in the western side. Ashailad Udayad Tatastha Girataha Bhasvat Sharashmibihi, that the Surya rays. And before it got risen, what was the nature of the world? Vyaptam Vishwamanandhakara, a thick clouds of darkness, a thick dark tamoguna. Vyaptam Shilom Andhakara. And who are the Kiranas? Shankaracharya's Shishyas. Vyaptam Shishya Manandhakara Bhavat Asyasma Shishyeridam. Let the Shishyas be the Kiranas of the sun, which is in the form of moon. The pleasant rays of the moon, when the sun rises, let it not be scorching, let it be like the moon, and that Kirana, let it fall on all the Shishyas. And what are the Kiranas? It is proper for Shishyas of Shankaracharya. Sureshwara, Padmapada, Hasta, Malaka. Is it so? All the Shishyas. Shankaracharya had many Shishyas. 4 are only prominent. Thousands of Shishyas are there, it seems. In one of the Digvijaya says, Grihasthas were Shishyas to Shankaracharya. They followed him everywhere. All the propagators of Advaita Vedanta, post Shankara literature, they are all Shishyas of Shankara. One of the Digvijaya says, wherever Shankaracharya went, it was initially one person. Then wherever he walked, 100 to 200 people were walking behind him. They were always with him. That is why we see nowadays in the mathas, when they do Digvijaya Yatra, the entire battalion goes to one place to other. The entire van, 150 people, they come. The puja set they bring and they do camp here, there. Like that, behind Shankaracharyas, the brahmacharis were there, grihasthas were there, vanaprasthis, of course they have to be, sannyasis, no doubt, they have to be. So let the Shankaracharya's tattva be the kirana. That kirana is these 4 Shishyas or many Shishyas. Let them cool the mind and let the brightness come in the form of Surya, both. To that Shankaracharya, who is the sun, is my namaskara. Sharira Ritya, Vak Ritya, and Mano Ritya Sada. A beautiful shloka. You can chant every day if you are doing Ashtottara of Shankaracharya. And chant the shloka and then offer. Anyways, I was reading Brihadaranyaka Vartika today. When 2:45 early morning I was reading. So then immediately I thought I should share this. So then I said, you won't sleep, Swami? No, I don't sleep. Yes. Okay. Shvetashvatara Upanishad, Chapter 4, Mantra 1. Ya eko varno bahuda shakti yogat.
Ya eko varno bahuda shakti yogat.
Varanan anekan nihitartho dadhati.
Varnan anekan nihitaryo dadhati.
Nihitartho dadhati.
Nihitartho dadhati.
विचैति चान्ते विश्वमादौ च देवः
विचैति चान्ते विश्वमादौ च देवः
स नो बुद्ध्या शुभया संयुनक्तु
स नो बुद्ध्या शुभया संयुनक्तु
तदावादित्यः
तदेवाग्निस्तदावादित्यः
तद्वायुस्तदु चन्द्रमाः
तद्वायुस्तदु चन्द्रमाः
तदेव शुक्रं तद्ब्रह्म
तदेव शुक्रं तद्ब्रह्म
तदापस्तत्प्रजापतिः
तदापस्तत्प्रजापतिः
त्वं स्त्री त्वं पुमानसि
त्वं स्त्री त्वं पुमानसि
त्वं कुमार उत वा कुमारी
त्वं कुमार उत वा कुमारी
त्वं जीर्णो दण्डेन वञ्चसि
त्वं जीर्णो दण्डेन वञ्चसि
त्वं जातो भवसि विश्वतो मुखः
त्वं जातो भवसि विश्वतो मुखः
नीलः पतङ्गो हरितो लोहिताक्षः
नीलः पतङ्गो हरितो लोहिताक्षः
तटिद्गर्भऋतवः समुद्राः
तडिद्गर्भस्थितवः समुद्राः
अनादिमत्त्वं विभुत्वेन वर्तसे
अनादिमत्त्वं विभुत्वेन वर्तसे
यतो जातानि भुवनानि विश्वा
यतो जातानि भुवनानि विश्वा
अजामेका लोहितशुक्लकृष्णाम्
अजामेकां लोहितशुक्लकृष्णां
बह्वीः प्रजा सृजमानां स्वरूपाः
बह्वीः प्रजा सृजमानां स्वरूपाः
अजो ह्येको जुषमाणोऽनुषेते
अजो ह्येको जुषमाणोऽनुषेते
जहात्येनां भुक्तभोगामजोऽन्यः
जहात्येनां भुक्तभोगामजोऽन्यः
We saw until 5th mantra a solid nididhyasana mantras speaking about Swarupa of Brahman and helping us to know the Brahma Swarupa Jnanam, and here and there in many mantras Brahma Jnana Sadhana is been coming and Brahma Jnana Sadhana Pala in the form of Jivan Mukti and Videha Mukti has also come, the last line of every mantra or most of the mantras. Amrita iva bhavanti, Amrita bhavanti, Viduhu Amritaste bhavanti. It is nothing but Jivan Mukti Pala. So in the third and fourth mantra, may you see Bhagavan in every Jiva Rashis, from Stri, Puman, Kumara, Kumari, old person with stick, old person without stick. Whatever you are seeing, it is nothing but Saguna Ishvara. The birds, parrots, peacock, Swami Crow. Obviously, you have to see parrots. You can give up. You can say you need not think about Subramanya when you see parrot. You need not think about Sharda Devi when you see. Subramanya correct agada. You need not think of Subramanya when you see peacock. You need not see parrot. You need not think of Sharda Devi or Matangi when you think of parrot or when you see parrot. But you have to definitely think of Shani Bhagavan when you see crow. If you can forget. If you see Shani Bhagavan and if you see crow and then turn your face like this, he gets angry. That time you have to tell Shani Bhagavan, Mangala Swarupi, you are Shantam Kuru. So every Jiva Rashi is, every animal, every plant, every stone is that Saguna Ishvara. Tadit Garbha means the lighting and the clouds. Rutavaha, all the seasons. Dhanurmasa is Bhagavan or not? It is Bhagavan. You have to chant Vishnu Sahasranama early morning. Every day we have to do chant anyways. Rutavaha, Samudraha, the entire vast oceans, whichever area you go, be it Rameshwaram or Goa, Samudraha, what all they do in the name of Bhagavan when they go to Goa, on the banks of Samudra, on the shores. That is how they enjoy. And Samudra Snana is not every day, mind you. You cannot just go to Samudra and then take a dip. On respective Tithis only Samudra Raja allows or welcomes you to take dip. But this person wants to just go, puts shorts or whatever the dress it is called, and dabuk, he will fall. There are few Tithis in the Dharma Shastra, only especially Parvakala, Sankramana, Amavasya, few Amavasyas, and when Guru is translating, those are the time only when you have to take Samudra Snana, not every time. The other time you can do Prokshana. Anyways, that is apart. So, Samudra Sanna, Anda Vicharamala Povalik. Samudraha Anadimatvam Vibhutvena Vartase. Whatever we are seeing as Saguna Ishvara has come out from this Maya itself. This entire Bhuvana Vishwa is that Ishvara himself, which in reality is your own higher nature. And in the fifth mantra, Maya was described. Maya has three gunas: Lohita, Shukla, Krishna, white, Shukla, Lohita, red, Krishna, black. And since Maya has these three gunas, any product or any being coming out of Maya also has these three gunas. Sharira has these varnas, mind is also having these sattva, rajas, tamas. Maya is Anadi, Jiva is Anadi, and Brahma is also Anadi. So three ajas are there in this fifth mantra. And the third Anadi is the Brahmajnani in the fifth mantra. Jahat yenam bhukta bhogam ajaha anyaha. Bhukta bhoga means what? After enjoying the limitation. Bhukta bhoga. Being a bhoktru jiva, undergoing the pleasure and pain, once he understands because of the punya, he gains punya, and then he says, I am fed up of this. Let me renounce all this. Jahat yenam. Having renounced this pleasure and pain, he becomes Jnani Brahma. That is called Anyaha. Aja Anyaha is equal to Jnani Brahma. Anyaha is to differentiate between the second Ajaha. That second Ajaha is Jivatma. After experiencing the pleasure and pain, knowing the limitation, he gives up that. That is the actual sannyasa, isn't it? Giving up nama rupa is real sannyasa. All the other sannyasa, this kashaya vastram is only an alambanam. That is not the end of all. That is why the concept mental sannyasa came up. Giving up. Anyways, whichever way you want, we have to give up. Kalpita, I said yesterday, Kalpita Maya Tyajare. Karya Kalpita Maya Tyajare, may you give up. Don't give up Kamalamba. Kamalamba is Brahman. Anyways, this we saw yesterday. Next mantra. I have explained this 6th and 7th. With Bhashyam also we have seen 1.5 hours, so I will not explain, we will just chant. Dva Suparna Sayuja Sakhaya
Dvasuparna Sayuja Sakhaya
Samanam Vruksham Parishasvajate
Samanam Vruksham Parishasvajate
Tayoranyah Pippalam Swadatti
Tayoranyah Pippalam Swadanti
Anashnannayo Abhijakashiti
Anashnanyo Avijakashiti
Samane Vrukshe Purusho Nimagnaha
Samane Vrikshe Purusho Nimagnaha
Anishaya Shochati Muhyamanaha
Anishaya Shochati Muhyamanaha
Jushtam Yada Pashyatnyanyamishaha
Jushtam Yada Pashyat Anyamishaha
Asya Mahimanamiti Vita Shokaha.
Asya Mahimanamiti Vita Shokaha.
Famous mantra from Mundaka Upanishad, third Mundaka, third section, second Mundaka, I think. First and two second mantras. Just to see the bare meaning. Dva Suparna. Dva word is not there, you have to make it as Dvau. Dvau is two. Dva Suparna. Suparna is birds. Sayuja Sakhaya. Sayuja. Both the birds are in the same vriksha. Sakhaya means both have become friends. Sakha. Samanam vriksham. The same tree, in one branch both two birds are there. What is these two birds? Jivatma and Paramatma. Parishashva Jate. They embrace together. So close they are embracing and sitting on the branch of a tree. Tayoho Anyaha. One bird is engrossed in the prapancha. Is engrossed with his sukha and dukha. Pippalam Swadatti. Pippala means a tree, a fruit. You can take the experiences of Jnanendriya and Karmendriya, experiencing everything. He feels happy one time, he feels dukkha other time. Most of the time it is dukkha only, because Pippalam is like amla, very kasap. It is not like strawberry, isn't it? Strawberry is also like medicine. Who will eat? So every time it is one or the other fruit he is enjoying and getting happy mood, sad mood. Pippalam Swad Atti. He eats means he experiences. Anyaha, the other bird is there in the same branch, very close. It is watching this Jivatma. The other bird is Paramatma, watching this Jivatma, enjoying the pleasures and pain. Abhichakashiti. Abhichakashiti means the other bird, Paramatma, just witnesses what this Jivatma does. You can tell secret to anybody in life within the four walls and go to the ear and give mantropadesha as secret, but you cannot keep secret with Bhagavan. He is witness, karmadhyakshaha, sakshi. In the mantra, 6th chapter it will come. Karmadhyakshaha, sakshi, chetaha, nirgunascha. Secret will work between jivas. Secret won't work with Bhagavan. Whatever we think of, he already knows. Because that thinking faculty itself is given by him. Before you start of thinking, எனக்கு இந்த தாட் வந்தது, இந்த சங்கல்பம் வந்தது, அவனுக்கு அது தெரிஞ்சிடுது. நான் இவருக்கு இன்னும் சொல்லலை, அப்புறமா சொல்கிறேன், நீங்கள் மட்டும் இந்த தாட் வச்சுக்கோங்க, யாருக்கும் சொல்ல வேண்டாம், அவனுக்கு ஆல்ரெடி தெரிஞ்சிடுது. That thought already got to know by Bhagavan, and he has created another srushti for you. Suppose on the thought when the manifest agala in the janmatalena, he has created another sukshma sharira and sthula sharira ready. We will try to exhaust that thought in the form of a desire and work for it. Bhagavan knows, okay, in the janmathali avanukku aguma, fine, agalena ready pannidala. Artha janmam, artha janmathile indella lot irukke. இந்த பொண்ணுக்கு இவன் கல்யாணம் பண்ணிக்கணும், அந்த பொண்ணு ஆகணும், இந்த செகண்ட் ஜென்மா பண்ணிடுவேன். Till then you will have this desire. So secret will not work with Paramatma because he is very close to Jivatma. Means what? Jivatma is Paramatma itself. Because since he doesn't know this, that he is Paramatma, Anishaya, helplessness, Alabhuiva, Chale Nimagna. भाष्यम समाने वृक्षे पुरुषे निमग्नः एन्ग्रास्ड निश्चयेन मग्नः अविद्या काम कर्म इति वृत्तेन निमग्नः. The sharira is the tree here. In the sharira, which is called tree, this human body is the tree. Two birds, which is called Jivatma and Paramatma, are residing. Samane vrikshe purushe nimagnaha. Why Purusha is equal to tree? Because that bird doesn't want to fly off the tree, fly from the other branch. It wants to be there. That means what? Deha abhimana is so strong. Want to be here, protect this sharira called tree. That is why tree is called Vamsha Vriksha. From this tree only, another tree has to be born. This tree will ask for another tree. A male tree will ask for female tree. And both have to come together. And one more tree has to be born. Vamsha Vriksha. not S.L. Bhairappa. Isn't it? Samane vrikshe nimagnaha anishaya shochati. Aldra shochati is crying. Muhyamanaha, completely deluded. He thinks this jagat is satyam. Relationships are satyam. Every experience of his life, he thinks it is satyam. What kind of satyam? It is vyavaharika satyam. Vyavaharika satyam is satyam or mithya. You should ask in which state you should ask. Vyavaharika satyam is satyam or mithya. When I ask, in which context, Swamiji, you should ask. Then I will say from Paramarthika angle whether it is satya or mithya, I will ask. Then you will say it is mithya. Then I will ask from Vyavahara it is satya or mithya. Then what should say? You should say mithya only, not satyam. நமக்கு என்னன்னா மித்யா சொல்றதுக்கு முடியாது. It is mithya only. Brahmajnana happens in Paramarthika or Vyavahara? Brahmajnana happens in Vyavahara. In Paramarthika there is no Brahman only. There is no Paramarthika. Because Vyavahara is there, we are differentiating, it is Paramarthika. Ajnanam is in Paramarthika Satya level or Vyavahara Satya level. Ajnanam is at Vyavahara. So Jnanam is also we require in Vyavahara. We have to bring that Paramarthika Satyam in Vyavahara. And we have to maintain Vyavahara only with respect to the exhaustion of Prarabdha. Hope you understand. Whatever after Brahmajnanam, when I say after Brahmajnanam, when? Now. Bang on the table. Now, yes. After means we are all Jnanis now. After Jnanam, whatever Prarabdha is there, it belongs to what? Ishvara. Ishvara alone maintains this Prarabdha to the limitation of food, cloth and shelter, or with limited relations. That is why in Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, though Yajnavalkya attained Brahmajnanam in Grihastha-ashrama, Shankaracharya asks a question in Brihadaranyaka. Why he took sannyasa? Then Shankaracharya himself answered, Pandit, I have done this, if you remember. Because to protect the Jnanam and to protect from the unwanted Prarabdha, I have to take sannyasa. Because I have my own Prarabdha as Jiva, I will exhaust that. There are few Prarabdhas which will come to me for help. That I want to avoid. To that I need to take sannyasa. To protect the Jnana means to be in Jnana Nishtha, I need to take sannyasa and also to avoid the other Prarabdha. It is not, Prarabdha is the not word, to avoid the other karmas which will affect me. Few karmas which might affect within the family, but there are some other karmas also will affect. Then that you cannot say it is Prarabdha. To avoid all those, I have to take sannyasa. Then he went with Vidvat sannyasa. Anyways, so Muhyamanaha, no solution for him. The only solution for him to be happy is being a parivraja or making the mind parivrajyam. Making the mind, putting the mind a orca rope. Jushtham. All the people worship this Atma, Paramatma or a Brahmajnani. Yada pashyat anyaha isham mahimahanamiti vita shokaha. This Brahmajnani identifies himself with Brahma and he crosses samsara. All the glories belongs to this Bhagavan himself. What glories? All the glories of the Prapancha belongs to this Brahman, means belongs to this Brahmajnani. What you should say? It belongs to me in my higher nature. All the 10th chapter Vibhuti Yoga belongs to whom? Abba. Very good. Never you say it belongs to Krishna, because Gita Jayanti is approaching. Wherever, what is it? Wherever you see my form, whatever divinity you see, Arjuna, it is me. Yadhyad Vibhuti Vatsattvam. So it is me means what? I am only seeing all the divinity, all the divinity is in me. This has to be the idea. So 6th and 7th mantra we have seen elaborate. Anyways, so that 6th mantra Dva has to be changed to Dvos. I said I have seen earlier also, told earlier also. 8th mantra. Rucho akshare parame vyoman.
ऋचो अक्षरे परमे व्योमन्
यस्मिन् देवा अधिविश्वे निषेदुः
यस्मिन् देवा अधिविश्वे निषेदुः
यस्तं न वेद किमृचा करिष्यति
यस्तं न वेद किमृचा करिष्यति
य इत्तद्विदुः तद् इमे समासते.
य इत्तद्विदुः तद् इमे समासते.
Very important mantra. Though the idea is same, but the 3rd and 4th line is very important. What it says? Akshare parame vyoman ruchaha. Ruchaha means Vedic mantras, all the 4 Vedas. Rug, Yajus, Sama, Atharvana is called Ruchaha. Rik means sentences, is called Ruchaha. What this Vedas talks about? Adhi Vishve Nisheduhu. Adhi and Nisheduhu is one word. Vishve Deva is another word. In the second line, Yasmin Deva Adhi Vishve Nisheduhu is there. You have to combine the words. Adhi and Nisheduhu is one word, and Vishve Deva is another word. Yasmin means in this Brahman, Vishve Devaha, all the Devatas rests or take the shelter in Brahman. Adhi Vishve, Vishwa here means take the meaning of substratum. All the Devatas, all the beings are located or take the shelter in Brahman. And that Brahman, here it is known with the Veda mantras called Ruchaha, Shabda Brahma. Means what? All the Veda mantras are based on Shabda Brahma, Ruchaha, Vedic mantras. And what is the Lakshana of Brahma? Akshare Parame Vyoman. Vyoman means all pervasive like sky. Aksharaha, immutable. Naksharati iti Aksharaha. Even nakshatra has also the same meaning. Nakshatra, stars. Naksharati iti nakshatraha. And here also akshare. That is relatively aksharaha. This is absolutely aksharaha. That nakshatra is satya or mithya? Mithya. Planets are satya or mithya? Jatakam is satya or mithya? Then why importance to Jatakam? That you should not ask. Shani Dasha is Satya or Mithya? Mithya. Shani is Satya or Mithya? Sollu Mujwara. Shani vandu pudipa இன்னைக்கு நைட்டு. Shani வந்தோடனே சொல்லணும். என்ன நீங்கள் சப்தம சனியா கண்டக சனியா என்ன சனி பண்ண போகிறேன் நான் பார்க்குறேன் வாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லணும் இல்லையா? வேண்டாம் சுவாமி போயிடுங்க ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக, கேட்குறதுக்கே பயமாக இருக்கு. I have told, I think, about Swami Omkar and the Kuchunur. Have I told? Many times I have told. Near Theni, you have the Kuchunur Shani Bhagavan temple, very close, just 1.5 hours. Whenever he does camp in Chennai, in Theni Ashram, many people from different parts they come, but the camp will be in Tamil. Today camp gets over and tomorrow they have to vacate. just as how Rishikesh camp also will be. So what they do, after the camp is over, that afternoon or next day, people will book their tickets late extra because they want to do shopping in Rishikesh. Like that here also, people from coming different place, they request Swamiji, okay, give one more day accommodation so that we will go to different places near Theni. And one of the more important places, Madurai Meenakshi, which is just 1.5 hours from this way. If you go like this, Kuchulur Shani Bhagavan, very famous. So every time they go after the camp. At times, last day they skip the valedictory function and they take a bus and go. So Swamiji got to know everybody are going. So he is taking the valedictory final, farewell, something valedictory. So yarume varale. Or 10-15 பேர் இருக்கா, ஒரு 100 people camp, 15 people are there. So everybody went, he asked, oh, everybody are there, the bus has come, they are going. Where are they going? Kuchulur temple they are going, Shani Bhagwan temple. He came down, he got so wild. He came down, got up to the bus. Next 3 days camp here. Cancel all the Kuchulur. 3 days he took Shankara Bhashyam, Bhagavad Gita class. He did not allow 5 hours per day. Morning, afternoon, evening, night. If you think you will go to Shani Bhagavan temple, today I will show you Shani Dasha. Next 3 days he said, so much imposition, everything. இங்கே தட்சிணாமூர்த்தி கிட்ட வந்து சனி பகவான் கிட்ட போகிறேன்னா உங்களுக்கு பண்ணுறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ரொம்ப கோபம் வந்துருச்சு அவருக்கு. அப்படி திட்டினார் அவர் நல்ல எல்லாருக்குமே. அங்கே போயிட்டு யூ ஹாவ் டு கோ டு குச்சூர் அண்ட் கம் டு தட்சிணாமூர்த்தி, நாட் ஆஃப்டர் தட்சிணாமூர்த்தி யூ ஷுட் கோ தேர். அப்படி எல்லாம் திட்டி பண்ணார். ஸோ ஸ்ரீ பகவான் சத்யவா மித்யாவா புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. எனிவேஸ், because most of them are having 7.5. Ashtama Shani is going on, Kantaka Shani is going on. Anyways, for me, from next year 7.5 will start. What to do? Look at the combination. 7.5 will start. Rahu Mahadasha Shani Bhukti. Navya combination. Innaga poradu theriyala. Anyways, where was I? Yasmin Deva Adhivishve Nisheduhu. So it is a combined I said. So all the Veda mantras are talking about that immutable Akshara Brahman, which is like space. And all the Devatas, yes, Vishve Devaha is equal to all the Vedic gods, Veda gods. That means Nama Rupa Prapancha. Devatas are like Maya. They reside in Brahman, Karanam, and the Jagat what we are perceiving is Karyam. Both the Nama Rupa and the Devatas reside in Brahman, and that Brahman is explained in Ruchaha, exalted in Ruchaha, that is Veda mantras. Yastamna Veda. Suppose a person does the religious activities like puja, parayana, homa, etc. Yaha tamna Veda. Here you should not make naha, it should be only na. That person, yattamna Veda, kimrucha karishyati. What is the use of doing such religious activity which is from the Vedas and not knowing this Akshare Parame Brahman? Means what? Until 80 years, may you not keep your Panchapatra next to you. Adu pandre, idu pandre, Krishnamurti, உங்களுக்கு தான் இது மந்திரம். Until 60 years, 70 years, don't keep the Panchapatra next to you. இந்த ஜபம் பண்ணணுமா, அந்த ஞாசம் பண்ணணுமா, துர்கா சப்தசதிக்கு எந்த ஞாசம் பண்ணணும், ஏகாதச ஞாசவா, சரியா? அது பண்ண எது கேட்கவே கூடாது. If you means not only you, just as Krishna had Arjuna in mind and gave the Upadesha to all of us, so I am keeping Krishnamurti in mind because he has most adu pannanuma, idu jabam pannanuma, adu pannanuma ketinde irpar. He's been asking since 50 years. Purinjukonga. So yastam naveda krimucha karishyati. If you are involved yourself in only religious activities, ya ittam viduhu ime samasate. What is the use of such religious activities if you don't come to Vedanta is the question. We have already come, Swami. Come completely, not with half mind. Do you agree or not? We agree, Swami, but something is pushing us backwards, not making come completely to Vedanta. What is that it is pushing? It is fear of Bhagavan. So many days I have done sadhana. If I skip, what will happen? That is one. Second thing is, people have told us if you skip the religious activities, pratyavaya dosha will come. Okay, now only all the Veda, the rules, Purva Pakshi, all will come now. Until yesterday it didn't come. If somebody says, or if I say enough of religious activities, no, we are in Grihastha-ashrama, we should not give up. Because Bhagavan will curse us. Vedantam puriyale, at least idadu panni porome, appoda varada. We want to justify, idadu panni porome, oru 10 jabam panna enna idaidum ungalku. Enna kodachal. சரி பண்ணுங்க, எல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் பண்ணுங்க. கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் பண்ணால் சித்தசுத்தி கிடைக்குமா? நீங்கள் 1000 பண்ணால் கிடைக்குமா? பண்ணிகிட்டே இருக்கிற கிடைச்சிருக்கா? அதே கிடைக்கலை, இன்னும் ஒரு 1000 பண்ணிகிட்டே இருப்போம், கிடைக்கிறதா இல்லை பார்ப்போம். Third option. My life was very sad before I started all these religious activities. I did not do Sandhya Vandanam. Then I started developing myself. I started doing Sandhya Vandanam weekly once, slowly twice, thrice, and 2 times a day. And lot of puja I am doing, Veda Parayanams I am doing. And after doing this such sadhanas, I took mantra initiation from you. And you are very powerful person. You gave. If I skip, problem will come for you. Justification. How the mind will say future. Okay, that also is skip. I was in loss state. Means business or loan, I was in loss. After doing so many sadhanas, I am now becoming profitable. So if I give up, again will I go to that state? I have a fear. Because these sadhanas are helping me. All are happening in which avastha? Paramarthika or Vyavahara? Devatas are Paramarthika or Vyavahara? Vyavahara. All the mantras what you do are Vyavahara or Paramarthika? It is Satya or Mithya? If you get that, Mithyam Veduma, Satyam Veduma? Satyam Vedam. சொல்லுங்க, அது குட்டி, இது ஃபுல்லு வராது. Very small. It is not coming full from full mouth. It's Satyam. Satyam. Brahman is who? Myself. Will you abide in Brahman? Yes. With mantra, Swami. With mantra. Anyways, continue doing. Here it says, may you not spend more time in religious activities. அந்த பஞ்சபாத்திரையே பக்கத்தில் வச்சுட்டு ஓடாதே, ஒரு இடத்துல அந்த பஞ்சபாத்திரை வை, நீங்கள் உட்கார், அந்த ஸ்ரவண மனநிலை இது தியானம் பண்ணு. Is what the mantra says. Kimrucha kim karishyati. What is the use of such Veda mantras, Parayanam, Upasanam, Japa? Everything is required for Chitta Shuddhi. Agreed. But how long? It might take janmas, but do you want to wait for janmas? It's up to you. So it says, Kimrucha kim karishyati. It's a mere waste, it says. There is an example, a beautiful example we can give. In the in the basketball, after the tournament, they give the statistics of 2 teams. How many goals, how many minutes have taken. And one of the line is, how many minutes the opponent kept the ball rotating to one person to other. இப்படியே பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கணும். அப்படி இல்லையா? அது பண்ணி, then he should put the ball in the basket. Suppose let's say that person is just playing 1 hour, 45 minutes is playing with the ball. Basketke podala. அப்படியே ஆட்டின்னு இருக்கா, டொங்கு டொங்கு டொங்குன்னு அப்படியே. Whereas the opponent, he took the ball and put that in the basket. Which is correct? Keeping the ball 75 minutes just playing with the ball and not putting in the basket, or taking from the opponent and then putting in the basket? Now what we are doing the same thing. Even in football, they do the same thing. Statistics were they keep rotating the ball with one person to the other person. நான் இந்த ஜபம் பண்ணேன், நீங்கள் கேளு, நீங்கள் இது ஜபம் பண்ண. Ball passing. I was enjoying with this japa. Now you also do. Ask Swamiji. சரி, நெக்ஸ்ட். அப்படியே கோல் எங்கே? There is no goal only. ಗಣಪತಿ ಮಂತ್ರಂ ಬಾಲ್ ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಗಣಪತಿ ಮಂತ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಬಾಲ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ದಟ್ ಗಣಪತಿ ಬಾಲ್ ಟು ಬಾಲ, ಪ್ಲೇ ವಿತ್ ಬಾಲ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ದಕ್ಷಿಣಾಮೂರ್ತಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಪ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು 15-20 minutes. ದಕ್ಷಿಣಾಮೂರ್ತಿ, ವಾರಾಹಿ, ಮಾತಂಗಿ, ಶ್ಯಾಮಲ, ಅಶ್ವಾರೂಢ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾರಪ್ಪ, ವಾಗ್ವಾದಿನಿ, ಸಂಪತ್ಕರಿ, ಅನ್ನಪೂರ್ಣ, ಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯ. ಗೋಲ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ? ಜನ್ಮ ಮುಡಿஞ்சு போச்சு. ஒருத்தர் வந்தார், he entered the ground, he saw there are a lot of balls. I will take ball directly. He took that ball called Brahmajnanam and he put in the goal, which is correct. India, that is what it is. Kimrucha kim karishyati. அப்படி சொல்லியும் நமக்கு புரியாது, என்ன பண்ணுறது? ய இத்தத் விதுஹு, யா இஸ் equal to a. Because of sandhi, it is ya, you have to make it a. Those people, ya ittat, itham. Itham means in this manner. Those people, itham, in this manner. Viduhu, they know this Brahman, which is akshare, parame, vyoman. Viduhu, ime samasate. Samasate. They properly abide in the true nature of Brahman. They become Brahman. Ye itham, those people in this manner. Viduhu, ime samasate. They become very wise. They know the limitation of religious life. Religious life is required. It is mandatory, but it is the means, not an end. Philosophy is required. Both are complementary. One has to overtake the other, not the other way. After some time, religious life has to be stopped and Brahmajnanam is the only way. Come to spirituality. Many people say, you would have heard, Swami, I am not religious, but I am spiritual. Have you heard this? Many people come and say. For them, we have to ask them to do religious life, because they would have heard some here and there, some read books. Both is required. One is not complete without the other, but at the same time, one should not spend more time in religious activities. Whatever is relating yourself to your own Swarupa, that activity is fine. Simple mantra, Bhagavad Gita Parayanam, that is the best prayer. Vishnu my pet, Aditya Hridaya, Vishnu Sahasranama, Bhagavad Gita. This prayer is far enough. Vishnu Sahasranama can give you Chitta Shuddhi, Aditya Hridaya can give you health, Bhagavad Gita can give you moksha. This Parayanam is more than sufficient, because all these are relating or making you to be in one's own self. Anyways, that doesn't mean that you have to stop. Even if I say stop, you don't do, because more than Brahmajnana, Maya is very strong. So may you please continue. So, ye itham viduhu ime samasate. Samasate means they abide in their nature. How? Comfortably, without thinking that life is a burden. Whereas religious life is a burden. The activities of religious life is a burden. But whereas the life of a sadhak, a life of a Vedantin is very simple. He need not seek anybody's help for his happiness, for his mental peace. Whereas a religious mind requires some people to complete some task. After the completion of the task, he or she gets the peace. So, scriptural study or religious life, you have to decide, is what the shloka or mantra says. Next. छन्दांसि यज्ञाः क्रतवो व्रतानि
छन्दांसि यज्ञाः क्रतवो व्रतानि
भूतं भव्यं यच्च देवा वदन्ति
भूतं भव्यं यच्च वेदा वदन्ति
अस्मान् मायी सृजते विश्वमेतत्
अस्मान् मायी सृजते विश्वमेतत्
तस्मिन् चान्यो मायया सन्निरुद्धः
तस्मिन् चान्यो मायया सन्निरुद्धः.
Another good beautiful mantra talks about religious life. मायी एतत् विश्वं सृजते. Third line. मायी here means Ishwarah. Ishwarah along with Maya Shakti, that is Brahman along with Maya Shakti is Ishwarah. The mixture is the cause of creation. Mayi. Etad, this Vishwam Srujate, creates this universe. For whom? Asman, for all the Jiva Rashis. For all the Jiva Rashis. And for what purpose Bhagavan created? The list is given. Obviously for Punya and Papa. For Punya exhaustion and Papa Kshaya. How to gain Punya is told in the first two mantras. First line. Chandamsi yajnaha kratavo vratani vadanti. Chandamsi. Chandamsi means again Vedic mantras. Mantras in the form of various meters. Gayatri, Ushnik, Anushtup, etc. Chandas. Chandamsi yajnaha kratavo vratani vadanti. The vadanti means the Veda talks about various fire sacrifices and vratas. Fire rituals are in two ways, yajnaha and kratavaha. Both are called fire rituals, big fire rituals. What is the difference between yajnaha and kratavaha? Yajnaha means offering the oblations with chanting the mantras. Ruk Samhita Yaga, Yajus Samhita Yaga, or big yagas. You can take Rudra Homa also. But Kratavaha is proper Vedic rituals where Somarasa is involved. You have to offer Somarasa to the yaga, to the Agni. Somarasa becomes a major offering in the yaga. It is called as Kratuhu, Kratavaha. And the other yajnas are Kevala Ajya, chanting the mantras and offering. It is called yajna. And Vratani, various vratas are being prescribed, in Puranas, Upavasa, lot of us we have seen Upavasa, Maunam, Chandrayana Vrata. One of you, if possible, if your health is okay, you do this Vrata. I want to know how it feels because I can't do. You try. What? This Chandrayana Vrata. It is a Prayaschitta karma. It has to be started on Shukla Paksha, Pratipat. 1 month you have to do. This Bhavase, this English I heard this palm, 2 palm together. Handful. This you have to take rice, 1 handful of rice. And you have to put sambar or whatever. That's all 1 day. Whatever rice fits in these 2 handful, that should be your ahara on Pratipat of Shukla Paksha. Puriyarda? Today let's say it is Shukla Paksha. Yesterday was Amavasya. Today is Shukla Paksha Pratipat. So whatever during the day means 12 o'clock, before 12 o'clock. So your mother or spouse puts the annam in these 2, Bhavati Bhikshan Dehi. So you will eat, that's all. No more eating. No fruits, no vegetables, no water, nothing. Only this. Nothing. Day 2. 2 handful. 1 handful. Dvitiya, 2 handful. No more eating. 3rd day, 3. 4th day, 4. 5th day, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 15th day, 15 handfuls. Bhakasura Namaha. So you have to try. What that time only you should drink water everything 15 times. That is Shukla Paksha. And in Krishna Paksha, that is from Pratipat to Amavasya, you should do anti-clockwise. So 15 repeats in the second day of Krishna Paksha Pratipat also. 15, 14 you have to reduce. 14 morsels, 15 morsels, 14, 13, 12, 10, 9, whatever, until 1 becomes 1 month. This is called Kritra Charandrayana Pratha. For Prayaschitta they do. What Prayaschitta you don't ask. We all have to do because so many Prayaschittas we do. So if anybody, if they are possible, please do and let me know. Suppose it will be there after 1 month, tell me and then பண்ணிட்டு சுவாமிஜி சொன்னார் அப்படியே போயிட்டா வேண்டாம். So anyways, Vratani Vadanti. Vratani Vadanti. Okay. All the Ashtanga Yoga, Yama Niyama, may you all follow is what it is. And the nature of Ishvara, Bhutam Bhavya Yacha Veda Vadanti. Veda. This Veda Vadanti has to be connected with the first line. And this Brahman is in the form of Bhutam Bhavyam Yat Cha. The Cha here doesn't means and. Cha means present. The commentator says Cha here means present. Everything belongs to past, future and present. Tasmin in this Anyaha Mayaya Sanniruddhaha. The other jivas. Anyaha is equal to the other jivas. Mayaya Sanniruddhaha. Ishvara will not get trapped with this Maya. In the fourth line, second word Mayaya is equal to Ishvara. Sanniruddhaha is getting trapped. Other than Jiva means what? Other than Jiva is Maya. Ishvara. Ishvara will not get trapped in the Maya Prapancha. Whereas we, the Jivas, gets trapped in the Maya Prapancha. Tasmin Anyaha is equal to Ishvara. Mayayas na Sanniruddhaha. But whereas Jivas gets trapped. How does Jiva get trapped? Because the Tamoguna of the Jiva covers the reality. The Avarana Shakti, which is the Tamoguna, covers the reality of not knowing one's own nature. Because the covering, what happens? Rajoguna gets activated. We want to do lot of work, we think. To do what? To remove the covering. We don't bring Sattva Guna and remove the covering. We bring Rajoguna and remove the covering and do lot of karmas. Tamoguna is avidya. Because of avidya, kama. Because of kama, karma. Kama is Rajoguna and the action is Rajoguna, that is karma. Avidya, kama, karma work only within the frame of Rajo and Tamoguna. So these vratas are there to purify, connecting with the previous mantra. Soon the vratas have to be completed and one should know the real nature. Next, 10th mantra. Mayam tu prakritim vidhi.
Mayam tu prakritim vidhi.
Mayinam tu maheshwaram.
Mayinam cha maheshwaram.
Mayinam cha maheshwaram.
Mayinam cha maheshwaram.
Tasya avayava bhutaistu.
Tasya avayava bhutaistu.
Vyaptam sarvamidam jagat.
Vyaptam sarvamidam jagat.
Okay. What is this Maya? Mayam tu prakritihi. What is the English translation of Prakriti? Prakriti is Maya, isn't it? Prakriti is Karya, Prakriti is effect. This is what we give the normal meaning, right? When we say, what is this Prapancha? Prapancha is nothing but nature. It is Prakriti. Everything is seen. Everything is in the form of effect, Karya. But here the mantra says, Prakriti is Maya Karanam. The other name of Maya is Prakriti, which is not effect, which is Karanam. It is like seed form. Prakriti means Maya in seed form, just as lump of clay. Then what is Kriya? Vikriti. Prakriti is Karanam, Vikriti is Karyam. From the lump of clay, you make lot of products, spoon, chair, plates, etc. From this mass Prakriti, the Karya Jagat emerges out. So, Mayam tu Prakritim Vidhi. May you know this Maya as Prakriti, that is Karanam, and Vikriti also. Lump of clay is Prakriti, shaped products from clay is Vikriti. And who is the owner? Mayinam tu Maheshwaram or Mahinam cha Maheshwaram. The Lord is the owner of this Prakriti and Vikriti. Maya is controlled only by Ishvara. Only Brahmajnani can control the Maya, no, not the any other person, either Ishvara or Brahmajnani, both are one and the same. Maya will be under them. Under the control of a Jnani, Maya will be there. Tasya, it is famous shloka, very oftenly they quote if you have heard. Tasya avayava bhutaistu. Avayavaha means limb parts. The parts of Maya is in turn nothing but Ishvara alone is the general meaning. But here in this context we should take Avayavaha is equal to RC, reflective consciousness, that is Jiva. Ishvara's limb is Jiva. Ishvara's limb or Ishvara's reflection is Jiva. Tasya is equal to Ishvara. Tasya Avayavaha. Ishvara's Avayavaha is Jiva. Pratibimba Chaitanya. Idam Sarvam Jagat Vyaptam. All the Jivas habitate or live in this Maya Prapancha. And the owner is Ishvara. Maya cannot voluntarily create because Maya is Jadam. It needs the Sanidhya of Brahma to create. Next mantra. Yo yonim adishtatyekaha.
Yo yonim adishtatyekaha.
Yasminnidam samcha vichaiti sarvam.
Yasminnidam samcha vichaiti sarvam.
Tamishanam varadam devamedyam.
Tamishanam varadam devamedyam.
Nichayame mam shantimatyantameti.
Nichayye mam shantimatyantameti.
If you ask what is this creation, creation is Maya in Vikriti form. From now onwards you should say creation is Vikriti. Maya is Prakriti. You have to change. Whatever you are seeing is Vikriti. It is shaped from Maya. That is why whenever you study all this, you will become an informed person. If you talk to Tarkika people, you cannot talk to them. They don't have interaction with you also. Because they talk only with Tarka language. We are Pamaras, we can't understand their language. Even after Brahmajnanam, it happens to me in most of the time. I will be telling something to somebody, they will not understand only. So dealing with such people is very difficult. ஏதோ ஒரு இடத்துல ஏதோ ஒரு விருத்தியில் சொல்லிட்டு இருப்பேன். ஃபார் தட் பர்சன் இட் இஸ் நாட் ஈஸி டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். ஏன்னா தட் பர்சன் இஸ் இன் விக்ருதி லெவல், ஐ ஆம் இன் பிரகிருதி லெவல். ஸோ பிரம்மஜானி cannot interact with the world, very difficult, but he has to manage. A Tarkika cannot interact with the world because his bhasha is different. A doctor cannot interact with the patient, with the patient relatives. Patient he can interact, with the relatives he can't interact. There was one doctor who was a devotee of ashram, he is still there. Eye specialist, not the Punjab guy, I don't think. Immediate numbers. He is a very senior, 55, 60-year-old. So he, a very good doctor who just knows the nature of the problem, nature of the eye, and he writes all the possible questions. What is the problem? What is the remedy? Means in the form of medicines. How many days it will take to cure? What are the precautions you have to take? Well, what is the power of the glass? Where to go and procure? What is the cost? Everything. He writes 1 to 100 points. And to the patient, he tells everything orally. And he writes and keep this letter, he won't show to the patient. And the relatives comes, Swami, whether he will be all right, how many days it will take, he'll put on the board, please read that. Because the relatives keep on coming and, he gets fed up. See, everything I have written there. Which shop to buy, how much is the cost, what is the range, which glass you want. Because he told, one problem, 15-20 people will come and ask. Like that I have to treat 100 people a day. So this is how I have learned, because this becomes stress for me. Treating the patient is okay. Answering the relatives is there, it is very tough. I'll get very sick. So what I have done, I will write 100, all the possible questions, frequent FAQs, all the answers. So like that, every bhasha, every lifestyle of a Tarkika, a Brahmajnani is difficult. Vyavaharam panna mudiyadu. Difficult to do Vyavahara. So if you see the creation, I came to this. If you see the creation, Prakriti and Vikriti, everything is a cause and karya in its own aspect. If somebody asks what is creation, you can say creation is nothing but cause and effect. Because of one seed Maya, effect called Akasha came. And Akasha was a cause for what? Vayu. Vayu is a cause for what? Agni. Agni for Jala, Jala to Prithvi, Prithvi to Annam, Annam to Manushya, Manushya to another Manushya, then to Vamsha Vriksha. So every Kriya and every Karana has inbuilt Karya Karana. A cause is an effect is a cause with respect to previous cause and further effect. Ilya, it is a series flow of cause effect, cause effect, cause effect. This is Prapancha. So here it is telling that Maya is one, effects are many, and each effect has relative causes. So Yaha Parameshwaraha Yonim Yonimaditishtatyekaha. Here Yaha Ekaha. So Yaha Ekaha is Parameshwara called Maya here. Yonim, that is Karanam. Yonimaditishtatyekaha, that is Karyam. Blesses every Karana to become an effect, and every effect blesses to become the other effect as Karana. Simple. Yaha Yonim Aditishtati becomes the other effect, becomes the cause for the further effect. Aditishtati Yekaha. Yekaha is that first Maya which is Pradhana or Prakriti. The effect is Vikriti. Yasmin idam, in this Brahman. So Sameti you have to make. Sameti, Vichaiti is there. That you have to split. Just as we made the differentiation yesterday. Vieti you have to make. Sameti is called Laya. Vieti is called Srushti. All are Vedic usage. Sameti is called Karya Prapancha, which get resolved. Which get resolved where? Yasmin in Brahman, second line. Vieti. So that Yeti is a verb. which has to be connected to some upasarga. So that some eti is called karya prapancha, which resolves, and vi eti is srushti. At the srushti kale, from this one cause maya, everything comes out, and at the pralaya kale, sameti, everything goes back to tasmin, into that Brahman. Sarvam, everything goes back. So samhara kale, srushti kale, everything goes to this yasmin idam Brahman. What is the nature of Brahman? Tam Ishanam. That Brahman is master. That Parameshwara is master. Swatantrata. Varadam. That Brahman as Nirguna has become Varadam. For whom? For all the people who need Sadhana Chatushtaya Sampatti. Varadam means Saguna Ishvaraha, who are lacking Sadhana Chatushtaya Sampatti, who needs purification. That Ishvara becomes Varadaha and Abhayada. Rendu kai vechirkaro illiyo. Devam Chaitanya Swarupaha. Idyam adorable Pujaniya Bhavaha. Varadam, the commentator translates as that Saguna Ishvara is available to give all four Purusharthas. For whom? For people who lack Sadhana Chatushtaya Sampatti, not for us. அப்படி சொல்லி வச்சுக்கலாம். நிச்சாய்யமேமாம் சாந்தி அத்யந்தமேதி. What is the goal of our life? Nichayyamemam. Nichayyamemam. To realize this Brahman. And after realizing, how do you realize Brahman? Close your eyes. Don't do that. Next Janma may you please do, not in this Janma. Realizing Brahman is going through Shravana Manan Nididhyasana process and claiming yourself as Brahman. Nichayyamemam Shanti Atyantameti. He gets peace which he has not got anywhere outside. Atyantameti. Ati Anandam Bhavati. Trupta Bhavati. Truptihi. A long period of Shravana Manan and Nididhyasana helps in Shanti, peace. All the other Shantis are Tatkalika Shanti, and Brahma Jnanam is only Atyantika Shanti. May you claim that. Don't involve yourself in Maya, enjoy Maya and come out and be in your Swarupa is the meaning of 11th mantra. More we will continue tomorrow. Om Sham Asatoma Satkamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Purnamada